Blue Yonder Jara Space Planning Online Training. Learn from Pro Excellency Solutions by Real-Time Experts Trainer. Introduction to Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning. Overview of Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning. Blue Yonder, formerly known as JDA Software, is a leading provider of supply chain and retail planning solutions. Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning is a software tool designed to assist retailers in optimizing the allocation of space within their stores. It offers a comprehensive set of features and functionalities to support retailers in creating efficient planograms, managing assortments, analyzing space performance, and optimizing store layouts. Importance of space planning in retail. Space planning plays a crucial role in the success of retail operations. It involves strategically allocating available space in a store to different categories, products, and promotions to maximize sales and profitability. Effective space planning ensures that products are displayed in an appealing manner, facilitates efficient inventory management, optimizes shelf replenishment, and enhances the overall shopping experience for customers. Benefits of using Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning. By utilizing Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning, retailers can experience several benefits, including improved sales and profitability. Optimizing the allocation of space can lead to increased product visibility, better assortment planning, and enhanced customer engagement, resulting in higher sales and improved profitability. Enhanced customer experience. By ensuring that products are well organized, easily accessible, and visually appealing, space planning can enhance the shopping experience and drive customer satisfaction and loyalty. Efficient inventory management. Accurate space planning enables retailers to optimize inventory levels, reduce out-of-stocks and overstocks, and minimize wastage, leading to improved inventory turnover and reduced carrying costs. Streamline store operations. Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning helps retailers streamline store operations by automating planogram creation, optimizing shelf replenishment, and providing real-time insights into space utilization, enabling more efficient store management. Data-driven decision-making. The software provides robust analytical capabilities, allowing retailers to analyze space performance, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions to improve merchandising strategies and drive better business outcomes. Key features and functionality. Space optimization algorithms. Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning employs advanced algorithms to optimize the allocation of space based on various factors, such as sales data, product demand, product affinity, and shelf capacities. These algorithms help retailers maximize the productivity of their space and ensure the most effective placement of products within the store. Assortment and category planning. The software enables retailers to plan and manage their product assortments and categories effectively. It provides tools for assortment analysis, assortment optimization, category hierarchies, and assortment lifecycle management, allowing retailers to align their product offerings with customer preferences and market trends. Planogram creation and management. Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning facilitates the creation and management of planograms, which are visual representations of how products should be displayed on shelves. The software offers a user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop functionality for designing planograms, and it allows retailers to define shelf layouts, adjust product facings, and optimize product placements to maximize sales and space utilization. Store and shelf replenishment. The software assists retailers in optimizing store and shelf replenishment processes. It considers factors like product shelf life, sales velocity, and space availability to generate intelligent replenishment recommendations. This ensures that products are restocked in a timely manner, minimizing out-of-stocks and reducing the risk of overstocking. Space performance analysis and reporting. Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities to evaluate space performance and measure key metrics. Retailers can track sales, product performance, category profitability, and other relevant data to gain insights into space utilization and identify areas for improvement. The software generates reports and visual dashboards that enable data-driven decision-making and help retailers monitor the effectiveness of their space planning strategies. Getting started with Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning. System requirements and setup. Before implementing Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning, retailers need to ensure that their hardware and software infrastructure meet the system requirements specified by the vendor. This may include considerations such as server specifications, operating system compatibility, and database requirements. Additionally, the software installation and configuration should be performed according to the provided documentation and guidelines. User interface and navigation. Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning features a user-friendly interface that allows retailers to easily navigate through the software and access its various functionalities. Users should familiarize themselves with the different modules, menus, and icons to efficiently utilize the software's capabilities. Data integration and configuration. Integration with existing systems, such as ERP, enterprise resource planning, and inventory management systems, is essential to leverage data for space planning. Retailers need to configure data sources, establish data feeds, and ensure data accuracy and consistency within the software. This may involve mapping data fields, setting up data import-export processes, and establishing data validation rules. Setting up store and shelf attributes. To optimize space planning, retailers need to define store and shelf attributes within Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning. This includes setting up store layouts, defining shelf capacities, establishing product facings and facing sizes, and configuring other relevant parameters. Properly configuring these attributes ensures accurate space allocation and planogram creation. Creating and managing planograms. Retailers can start utilizing Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning by creating and managing planograms. This involves designing shelf layouts, selecting products, assigning facings, and optimizing product placements. The software provides tools for visualizing planograms, adjusting layouts, and simulating different scenarios to identify the most effective planogram configurations. Advanced space planning techniques. Assortment and category optimization. Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning supports advanced assortment and category optimization techniques. Retailers can leverage demand forecasting, market insights, and customer preferences to optimize their assortments and categories, ensuring that the right products are available in the right quantities and locations to meet customer demand and maximize sales. Introducing planogram efficiency metrics. To enhance planogram effectiveness, retailers can introduce planogram efficiency metrics into their space planning processes. These metrics evaluate the performance of planograms based on factors like sales per square foot, product adjacency, and customer interaction. By analyzing these metrics, retailers can identify underperforming planograms and make data-driven adjustments to improve their effectiveness. Space allocation strategies. Blue Yonder JDA space planning allows retailers to implement various space allocation strategies based on factors such as product profitability, product demand, and sales trends. Retailers can allocate space based on revenue potential, strategic importance, or specific marketing and merchandising objectives. By adopting appropriate space allocation strategies, retailers can optimize their store layouts and maximize the impact of their product offerings. Seasonal and promotional planning. The software supports retailers in planning and executing seasonal and promotional strategies. Blue Yonder JDA space planning enables retailers to allocate space for seasonal products, plan promotional displays, and adjust planograms based on changing merchandising requirements. This ensures that stores are effectively prepared for seasonal fluctuations and promotional campaigns, maximizing sales opportunities during peak periods. Collaborative planning and vendor management. Blue Yonder JDA space planning enables collaborative planning and vendor management by facilitating communication and collaboration between retailers and their suppliers. Retailers can share planogram information, communicate merchandising requirements, and collaborate on promotional strategies with their vendors. This collaboration improves inventory availability, reduces lead times, and ensures effective space utilization for vendor-supplied products. Best practices for effective space planning. Data quality and accuracy considerations. To achieve accurate and reliable space planning outcomes, retailers must prioritize data quality. This involves maintaining accurate product master data, ensuring data integrity across systems, regularly updating sales and inventory data, and validating data inputs for accuracy and completeness. By maintaining high-quality data, retailers can make informed space planning decisions and avoid potential issues arising from inaccurate or incomplete information. Store-specific space planning. While Blue Yonder JDA space planning provides standardized features and functionalities, it is essential for retailers to consider store-specific factors in their space planning processes. Each store may have unique customer demographics, local preferences, and spatial constraints that should be taken into account when creating planograms and allocating space. Retailers should leverage the software's flexibility to customize planograms and space allocation strategies based on individual store requirements. Agile planogram creation and updates. In the dynamic retail landscape, planograms need to be agile and responsive to market changes. Retailers should establish processes and workflows that enable timely planogram creation and updates. This may involve leveraging real-time data feeds, integrating with sales and demand forecasting systems, and adopting efficient planogram approval and publishing workflows. By implementing agile planogram creation and updates, retailers can ensure that their store layouts are optimized to reflect changing customer preferences and market trends. Merchandising principles for optimal results. To achieve optimal results with Blue Yonder JDA space planning, retailers should follow merchandising principles that enhance product visibility and customer engagement. This includes considering factors like product adjacency, cross-merchandising opportunities, shelf signage, and promotional displays. By applying effective merchandising principles, retailers can create compelling in-store experiences that drive sales and customer satisfaction. Continuous improvement and performance tracking. Space planning is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement and performance tracking. Retailers should regularly monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, related to space utilization, sales productivity, inventory turnover, and customer satisfaction. By analyzing performance data and identifying areas for improvement, retailers can iterate on their space planning strategies and drive continuous enhancements in their store layouts and merchandising approaches. Integrating Blue Yonder JDA space planning with other systems. Integration with ERP and inventory management. Integration between Blue Yonder JDA space planning and ERP and inventory management systems is crucial for seamless data flow and accurate space planning. Retailers should establish integration mechanisms to synchronize product data, sales data, and inventory data between these systems. This integration enables real-time visibility into product availability, ensures accurate demand forecasting, and facilitates efficient inventory replenishment. Incorporating sales and demand forecasting. To enhance space planning accuracy, retailers can integrate sales and demand forecasting capabilities into Blue Yonder JDA space planning. By leveraging historical sales data, market trends, and demand forecasts, retailers can better predict future product demand and align their space allocation strategies accordingly. This integration helps retailers optimize inventory levels, reduce stockouts, and improve overall supply chain efficiency. Linking to retail execution systems. Blue Yonder JDA space planning can be linked to retail execution systems, such as point-of-sale, POS systems, or mobile applications used by store associates. This integration allows retailers to capture real-time sales data, monitor planogram compliance, and gather insights on in-store execution. By linking space planning with retail execution systems, retailers can ensure that their planograms are effectively implemented on the shop floor and make adjustments as needed to optimize sales. Data analytics and visualization tools. To leverage the full potential of Blue Yonder JDA space planning, retailers can integrate the software with data analytics and visualization tools. These tools enable advanced analytics, data mining, and visualizations to uncover hidden patterns, trends, and insights from space planning data. By combining the analytical capabilities of these tools with Blue Yonder JDA space planning space optimization features, retailers can make more informed decisions and further enhance their space planning strategies. Future trends and technologies in space planning. As technology continues to evolve, new trends and technologies are emerging in the space planning domain. Retailers should stay updated on these developments and consider their potential impact on their space planning processes. This may include advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, virtual reality, and IoT, Internet of Things, devices. By embracing innovative technologies, retailers can stay competitive and optimize their space planning strategies for future success. Case studies and real-life examples. Retailers successfully using Blue Yonder JDA space planning. Case studies and real-life examples of retailers that have successfully implemented Blue Yonder JDA space planning can provide valuable insights and inspiration. These examples can showcase how retailers have leveraged the software to improve sales, optimize space utilization, streamline operations, and enhance the customer experience. Retailers can draw lessons from these success stories and adapt the strategies and best practices to their own space planning initiatives. Implementation challenges and lessons learned. Implementing Blue Yonder JDA space planning may present certain challenges. It is important for retailers to be aware of these challenges and learn from the experiences of others. Case studies and examples highlighting implementation challenges and lessons learned can provide guidance on how to navigate potential obstacles, mitigate risks, and ensure a smooth and successful implementation of the software. ROI and business impact analysis. Measuring the return on investment, ROI, and assessing the business impact of Blue Yonder JDA space planning implementation is crucial for evaluating its effectiveness. Case studies and real-life examples that demonstrate the positive impact on sales, profitability, and operational efficiency can help retailers understand the potential ROI and build a business case for adopting the software. Tips for overcoming common implementation obstacles. Implementing Blue Yonder JDA space planning may involve overcoming common obstacles and challenges. Examples and case studies that provide tips and recommendations for overcoming these obstacles can be valuable resources for retailers. These insights can help retailers anticipate potential roadblocks, plan mitigation strategies, and ensure a successful implementation journey. Training and support resources. Blue Yonder JDA space planning documentation. Blue Yonder JDA provides comprehensive documentation for space planning users. Retailers should refer to the official documentation, user guides, and manuals provided by Blue Yonder JDA to understand the software's functionalities, features, and implementation processes. This documentation serves as a valuable resource for learning how to effectively utilize the software and troubleshoot common issues. Online training courses and tutorials. Blue Yonder JDA may offer online training courses and tutorials to help retailers learn how to use space planning effectively. These courses can cover various topics, from basic functionalities to advanced techniques and best practices. Retailers should take advantage of these training resources to enhance their knowledge and skills in space planning and maximize the benefits of using Blue Yonder JDA space planning. Community forums and user groups. Engaging with the Blue Yonder JDA space planning community can provide retailers with opportunities to connect with other users, share experiences, and learn from each other. Participating in community forums, user groups, and online discussions allows retailers to ask questions, seek advice, and gain insights into real-world usage scenarios and best practices. Support from ProExcellency. ProExcellency, as a consulting and support partner, can provide additional assistance and support to retailers using Blue Yonder JDA space planning. They can offer guidance on implementation, configuration, and best practices, as well as provide ongoing support for troubleshooting and addressing specific challenges. Retailers can leverage ProExcellency's expertise to maximize the value of Blue Yonder JDA space planning in their retail operations. Conclusion and next steps. Recap of key learnings. In the conclusion, retailers should recap the key learnings from the guide, highlighting the importance of space planning in retail, the benefits of using Blue Yonder JDA space planning, and the advanced techniques and best practices for effective space planning. Action plan for applying space planning knowledge. Retailers should create an action plan outlining how they will apply the knowledge gained from the guide. This may include steps such as evaluating their current space planning processes, assessing the suitability of Blue Yonder JDA space planning for their organization, and developing a roadmap for implementation and optimization. Further resources and recommended reading. Lastly, retailers should provide a list of further resources and recommended reading materials for those who want to delve deeper into the topic of space planning and Blue Yonder JDA space planning. This may include books, white papers, articles, and additional online resources that can expand retailers' understanding and expertise in space planning and optimization. Why do we choose Blue Yonder JDA Space Planning Online Training by ProExcellency? Expertise. ProExcellency has deep knowledge and experience in Blue Yonder JDA space planning. Comprehensive content. The training covers all aspects of the software, from setup to advanced techniques. Flexibility. Online training allows for self-paced learning at your convenience. Hands-on exercises. Interactive exercises provide practical experience with the software. Personalized support. Participants receive personalized guidance and Q&A sessions. Continuous learning. Training keeps you updated on the latest software developments. Additional consulting. ProExcellency offers ongoing support beyond the training courses. Contact. To get more information, connect with us. Email address: info@proexcellency.com, affin@proexcellency.com. Phone number: +91 8722079509, +919008906809. Website: www.proexcellency.com. Thank you for watching.